Hey you lovely people, I know you people are here with this video to learn that magical technique that can boost your vocabulary, and trust me, you have never heard about this technique. And this technique I have applied to my learners, and trust me, I have gained fantastic results. And you know what? You just need 13 days for it and 15 minutes per day. And with this technique, you're not only going to learn fantastic vocabulary, but at the same time, you will be able to write or remember those words in your memory so that you can use them in your daily life communication. Because at the end of the day, what we want that we should have a good treasure vocabulary. And I must encourage you people to have good vocabulary so that you would never get fumbled during any of the conversations. Because once we get fumbled in the conversation, I know you people feel demotivated. It seems like, oh my goodness, I have failed in front of these people. And sometimes, you know what, it's not about the people, it's about you, it's about your personality, it's about your growth. So if you are one of them who is struggling to build their vocabulary, then trust me, this video is completely for you, absolutely for you. And this video is not going to be too long because ये technique हम फटाफट learn कर लें. So if you are new to my channel, hello everyone, my name is Dr. Shruti Soni, who is your English coach, who is not only helping you to boost your English language skills, but at the same time to improve your personality. So without wasting any time, let's get started with today's video. So what is that technique? That technique is known as vocabulary booster. And how this technique is going to work. See, we have 26 letters in alphabet, right? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Till Z, I know that, you know that. And how we are going to build our vocabulary with these letters. Yes, see, there are 26 letters and we just need 13 days. Means how? I have divided 26 letters into 13 days because each day you need to learn the words from 2 letters from this alphabet. Yes, for example, we are going to get started with letter A and letter B in the very first day. Yes, and when we will divide these 26 letters into the part, and every day you are going to learn 2 words out of these letters. So 26 divided by 2 equals to 30. Yes, so we just need 13 days, and in 13 days you are going to learn 78 plus words. Now just imagine. And you know what? You are going to maintain your own dictionary. Yes, for this you need your separate diary. Please keep one diary. I encourage to keep a diary or a notebook. Not the e-notebook. I would not encourage that for this technique. So try to make one notebook for this, because once you will be able to do so, trust me, you do not know what kind of words you are going to learn, and you will have your own dictionary with the help of this notebook. And you can access this notebook at any point of time. So let me tell you how this technique is going to get work. So each day you are going to learn 2 words. So let's get started with day 1. For example, letter A and letter B. So what you need to do, you need to identify any 3 words from each letter. For example, you need to identify 3 words with the letter A and 3 words with the letter B. And wait, I'm going to help you out with the words also. So for that, you need to wait till the end of the video, because as usual, I always have one surprise for you. So do not worry. For that, you need not to run to any of the website to know the words. For that, I have one surprise for you. So yes, quickly. So once you will be able to identify 3 words from letter A, 3 words from letter B, like this is maximum you can do. You can reduce also as per your understanding, as per your learning power. You can make it like 2 words from each letter. For example, if you're not comfortable with 3 words, because at one point of time in a day you are going to learn 6 words. So if you're not comfortable with 3 words from each letter, you can make it 2. But at least make it 2. Do not make it 1, because it is not going to work rapidly for you. So let me come to the point. If it is 3 words from each letter, I'm going to give you an example also. For example, you have identified 3 words from letter A and 3 words from letter B. After identifying those letters, you need to write the meaning of all of these words. Once you are done with the meaning of these words, so you have 6 words, right? Now, what you need to do next? Next, you need to frame one paragraph with these 6 words. Yes, you need to frame one paragraph at least of 10 to 15 lines. I know you must be thinking that it is impossible, but trust me, it is possible. I have tried this technique. You can make one paragraph with the help of all of these 6 words. If you are finding difficulty to adjust all these 6 words in a paragraph, it's fine. You can make it to 5 and 4. See, it's all about you. It's all about your learning. It's all about your speed. So as per your comfort zone, you can choose. But try कि जितने words आपने identify करे हो सारे के सारे words आप paragraph में लिख पाए. So once you will be doing so, you know what? Why this technique works, like आइडेंटिफाई करने के बाद हम जो पैराग्राफ लिखते हैं तो लिखने के बाद हम कहते हैं ना कि हमें कैसे वर्ड्स याद रहेंगे. दिस इज हाउ यू नीड टू लर्न द वर्ड्स. और इसी तरीके से वर्ड्स हमें याद रहता है व्हेन वी आर गोइंग टू इम्प्लीमेंट दोज वर्ड्स इन अ सेंटेंस और इन अ पर्टिकुलर सिनेरियो. then only you will be able to learn those words. So आपकी memory में कहीं ना कहीं रहेंगे. And once you are done with day 1, for example 6 words you have identified, and I'm going to give you one sample example as well, so do not worry, okay? But first let me complete with this technique. So once you are done with day 1, 6 words आपने learn कर लिए. Now you will move to day 2. So day 2 में same you are going to do with letters C and D. 3 words C से identify करेंगे, 3 words are letter D से identify करेंगे, and again you are going to write down the meanings and you are going to write down the paragraph. But once when you will move to day 2 and आप जब letter C और D से words लिखना start करेंगे, what you need to do, you just need to remember कि letter A और B में से मुझे कितने words याद है. Please do not see, आप वो पेज ना देखें जो आपने लिखा है. याद करने की कोशिश करिए कि 6 वर्ड्स में से मुझे कितने वर्ड्स याद हैं. वेदर मुझे 2 वर्ड्स याद है, 3, 4 या मुझे 5 या मुझे 6 के 6 वर्ड्स याद है. वंस यू विल बी एबल टू डू सो, आपको ये भी पता चलेगा कि आपकी मेमोरी कितनी तेज है इन रिस्पेक्ट टू लर्न द वर्ड्स, एंड एट द सेम टाइम ये आपको हेल्प करेगा टू रिस्टोर द वर्ड्स. एंड एवरी डे यू नीड टू डू द सेम थिंग. डे 2 में लेटर सी और डी से आपने वर्ड्स आइडेंटिफाई करे, पैराग्राफ लिखा और आपने कोशिश करी कि डे 1 में से मुझे कितने लेटर याद है. व्हेन यू विल मूव टू डे 3, ई और एफ से जब लिखेंगे तो आप कोशिश करेंगे याद करने की कि डे 1, डे 2 मतलब ए बी सी डी में से मुझे कितने वर्ड्स याद है. सो ये टेस्ट करेगा आपकी मेमोरी को कि कितनी मेमोरी आपकी तेज है और कितने वर्ड्स आपको याद रहते हैं. एंड व्हेन यू विल बी डूइंग सो इन डे 1, डे 2, डे 3, डे 4, डे 5, you will have a strong memory to learn the words and you will have your own dictionary. जब आप इसको नोटबुक में लिखेंगे, आप पैराग्राफ में लिखेंगे, trust me, by the end of 13th day I'm assuming that you will be able to learn and write 78 plus words, and उसमें से I hope that you will be able to remember 20 plus 30 plus words. लेकिन ऐसा नहीं है. It might possible कि आपकी मेमोरी इतनी तेज हो जाए कि you might be able to remember 50 plus words also. What is the loss in this? Just imagine, like आपने इतने words learn कर लिए हैं, and this is what ultimately we need. We need to have the vocabulary, and see, it is not possible कि आप सारे के सारे words learn कर लें, right? It's just a technique to help you to retain the words in your memories. That is the only thing this technique is going to work, and trust me, you will see the change in your vocabulary. Now let me give you the sample example of it. Yes, so I will start with day 1. I have my laptop here. So day 1 A, for example, मैं letter A और letter B से आपको भी words बताऊंगी. So with letter A I have the words abstruse. I have taken some words which are intermediate to advanced level. Okay, abstruse मतलब होता है जब किसी चीज को समझने में हमें डिफिकल्टी होती है. यस, डिफिकल्ट टू अंडरस्टैंड. नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज alacrity. इट मीन्स उत्सुकता नहीं बोलते, eagerness to learn something, eagerness to know something. That is alacrity. Next is amiable. This is very common. I hope you know this word. Amiable means to be friendly. Now moving to letter B. The first word, and it's my favorite word, that is benevolent. It means dayalu, kind, a person who is kind. Next word is burnish. Burnish, it means to polish something, means किसी को चमकाना, किसी को निखारना, that is burnish. And the last word is beguile. Beguile, it means charm, to charm someone or something that is charming. And now I'm going to merge all these 6 words into a paragraph, and you will find that paragraph on the screen right away.
The benevolent philanthropist spent her days helping those in need. She was known for her amiable nature, always greeting everyone with a warm smile. However, her abstruse writings on economics were often difficult for many to understand. Despite this, she tackled complex issues with alacrity, always eager to find solutions. Her colleagues admired her ability to burnish her ideas into practical policies. But some critics accused her of trying to beguile the public with overly optimistic projections. Still, her kindness and generosity earned her many admirers. As she walked through the city, she was often stopped by people seeking advice or assistance. Her benevolent spirit was a beacon of hope in a complex world. Through her work, she aimed to make a lasting impact on her community.
So that's it for today, guys. I hope you are going to apply this technique to boost your vocabulary, and trust me, you are going to do it. You will feel powerful and confident when you will use these words in your communication. And what is the surprise? As you know, you can find, means what I have done, I have jotted down 100 plus words for this technique, and you can find that PDF, the link of the PDF in the description box, so that you will not find any sort of difficulty to go on the Google and identify the words daily. I have already done that work for you. You can definitely refer that PDF for your future reference, not only for this technique, but anytime when you will in the search to find good vocabulary for your communication. So that's it for today, guys. Do let me know your thoughts on this technique, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.